Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to hide likes and comments on Instagram. For this I'm opening Instagram and I'm going to the three little burger patties, let's say it like this, and then click on settings. What you want to do in the search bar, just type in likes or like and then hit hide likes. Now you can enable it if you want to hide the likes. Okay, what you want to do to hide comments, just type in comments and here you can choose who can comment on your posts. So for example, I've enabled everyone, but of course you can do people you follow or all your followers or people you follow and who are your followers. Okay, that was a little hack on how to hide likes and comments on Instagram. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.